What's up, folks? So I have an aqua-vu underwater camera here with a lead acid battery that doesn't last for 4 hours when LED lights are on, and only lasts for 6 hours when the LED lights are off. So I was thinking of buying a lithium-ion battery, but it's so expensive that it costs more than my underwater camera. So I came up with a solution. Why not use my drill batteries instead? Because I have lots of these batteries that just sitting on my garage. So yeah, let's make a DIY how to use these batteries on this underwater camera. So you should have a charger that connects to your vehicle. It comes with your underwater camera. It should look like this one. So you could charge your underwater camera to your vehicle. Just connect it to your cigarette to your vehicle cigarette lighter and charge this one up. And one thing more is you should also have an AC DC adapter like this. See that? And you should also have a drill battery power inverter like this. So sit back, relax, and I will show you how to connect these things and power up my underwater camera. So we're gonna use this 3 amp hour 18 volts rigid drill battery and use this power inverter right there, and then just put it aside. Put this one aside, and let's take off the battery here, the lead acid battery. Slide a little bit, and there you go. Take that one out, take that one out. Take it out like this. There you go. There you go. Take this one out, and then just put this one back in. There you go. Or maybe we should just put it aside like this. There you go. put it like this. There you go. There you go. And then use the AC adapter, AC-DC adapter. Connect it here. There you go. And then connect your aqua-vu charger cable to the AC-DC adapter. Plug it to your underwater camera, and then power on your power inverter. There you go. Now you can see the lights. They're on. Lights are on. And turn on your underwater camera. There you go. Now, that's just simple. Turn off your power inverter. That's off. Turn it on again. Turn on the underwater camera. And voila! There. Now you can use your real batteries to power your underwater camera. So, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe too, so there will be more videos. And thanks for watching.